Just say out.
Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here, 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today we are going to do what, Reed?
We're going to get 4 or 5 new chickens.
Yep, 4 or 5 new chickens. We've got 10. We had 6 and then we added 4. And with everything that's going on, we just decided to add a few more chickens. It won't hurt to have extra eggs right now. So I found a guy on Craigslist who has some chickens for sale. He says they're molting. What do you think, babe?
I mean, they came in from a truck, so they're probably stressed a little bit. So that's not surprising. And besides, we're changing seasons, so I'd like to see what they look like to decide.
I'll try to show you right now what they look like. This guy sells chickens and he's just about 4 miles down the road. We've never heard of him before till we stumbled across him on Craigslist. So we're gonna go see what they look like, and if we like them, we're gonna buy them.
And everybody, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make it gray, and also like my shirt, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and you hit the bell so you never miss on any uploaded video and the premiere on the video last night.
That's it. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Yeah, they're literally, you see that tree? That's food. They're not. Yeah, they were. So look, it's back there. Look.
All right, guys. Well, we're here in the neighborhood. It's a
neighborhood.
It's a neighborhood. It's a little rough. Hey. You think so?
Who was he yelling to, Reed? He's yelling to his dog.
Oh, that's...
We actually just got the birds, and they are pretty rough looking. So the guy said they came from. Well, I'll tell you what. We'll get back to the house, and we'll show y'all what they look like, and kind of tell y'all what all he said. We bought them. They're definitely by far the cheapest chickens that we've ever bought. They're pullets. They're not. I mean, he said they're starting to lay, but I don't.
Some of them are young.
Yeah, some of them are a little younger than others. We just got the best looking ones. They're the cheapest we ever bought, but they're by far the roughest looking we've ever bought as well.
We are going to isolate them from the flock for a while though,
yeah,
and to see what ends up happening. My gut tells me he's right. He seemed to know a lot about the chickens. We're gonna get them home, get them fed, get them some water. Their combs are kind of white right now, which means they're probably a little dehydrated. They came from Ohio. We're in Texas, so that's quite a drive, and they're probably super stressed. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we're out 50 bucks, or maybe we have 5 more chickens.
Yep, we'll see. Yeah, so I don't know how far of a drive, I mean, how many hours that would be in a trailer for them, but
oh, a lot, and they probably weren't under the best conditions.
Yeah, so I guess this guy, he had a stock trailer that had, he had 2 stock trailers, and one of them that we looked in it had at least 200 chickens in it. So he just buys them, a bulk of them, and then just turns around and sells them for a profit. So. Well guys, it's a few days later after we shot the initial part of this video. When we got home with the chickens, we had planned on shooting a bunch of video down there at the coop with them, and when we got home, the wind picked up. It was blowing like 30 miles an hour, and it started raining. So we couldn't really finish the video up. So we just took the chickens and put them away, and planned on remaking the video this morning, which is Saturday morning. And again today, the wind's blowing about 30 miles an hour outside. So we're gonna go down there and kind of show you how they're doing, and hopefully y'all be able to hear with the wind. Kind of give y'all an idea of where we have them set up at, and we're gonna leave them in there for a pretty good while. They're actually seem to be more probably more able to take care of themselves than some of the other chickens we've bought in the past. They're pretty aggressive, even towards us. When you reach in there and touch them, they'll peck at you right away. I think these chickens, some of the other chickens we bought in the past have had a lot of interaction with people. I don't think these chickens have had any interaction with people. I think they were raised on a giant farm and were stuck together in a big trailer and shipped down here, and have seen, you know, only seen people a little bit. So let's run down there and show you what they look like. The guy that we bought them from, actually, I didn't believe, you know, it's hard to tell what people say, but he had said that they had a trailer full of them, and that they were already starting to lay eggs. They were picking up eggs, you know, every morning out of that trailer, and we didn't believe him. But the last 2 mornings we've had eggs out there. I think there's been 2 eggs this morning, and then 2 yesterday morning, I think. Guys, Reed, before we go down there, Reed wanted to show y'all the new present that my cousin Chris gave him.
He gave me a brand new spotted bass with a 10-gallon tank, and we have a perch, a crawfish, and a catfish in here. The catfish and the crawfish you probably can't see. The perch is back behind that rock.
Yep.
The bass is right there.
That's a bass. They caught him out of a private pond. Him and Finatic did. It's really cool. He's already grown a little bit since we got him. Mm-hmm. Reed has been feeding him worms. So what we need to do is find some like little crickets or grasshoppers to throw in there. I bet he'll eat those too. But so we got him out here in the shop now. But we'll get him moved into the house eventually. All right, guys. Well, coop's here behind us. We've got the new chickens down here in the bottom. We built that area quite a while back. We've showed it in a couple other videos. The only thing we need to do different is the door to get underneath there is actually inside the coop. You have to crawl up in there. So eventually I'm gonna move it to that door. I'm gonna fence that part in where the door's at right there, and then move the door to the outside of the coop so we can get in and out without having to crawl up inside the coop. So let's turn the camera around and we'll show you how they're doing.
Some attack me.
Guys, they're very active and very vocal. One thing that I'm still noticing is their combs are still pretty pale colored. I'm wondering, we were wondering if they gotten, that one right there is talking. Easton's gonna show you how they peck at your hand. Stick your hand there, Easton.
He's the one that does it. I'm gonna steal their food for them to attack me.
No, let's not steal their food.
I just gotta like touch it. If I touch it, that's when they.
You can definitely see how they move away from him.
They're not doing it.
Yep. All right, leave them alone. Hop out.
Dang it.
Their combs are still pretty white. I'm pretty sure when they were on that truck probably getting transported, they didn't have any water for a couple days, or very little water for a couple days. So hoping that'll come back. But like I said, they're very active and very vocal. So feel like they're gonna be fine and be healthy. So we just gotta get them a little more hydrated and just get them used to everything, and then slowly start introducing them. Go.
So guys, they're kind of aggressive. I saw eggs, so I need to move their feed, and I touched it, and they get the egg, and then they just went whack, and then I just got near their water. It goes, and my hand still hurts from doing that. It happening yesterday.
Does it really?
Kinda.
All right, guys, we just want to show y'all this real quick video of. We've never bought chickens off of Craigslist before. Most of our chicken buying has been actually at flea markets. We have a really cool video on that's done really well that y'all should go watch, link down below. We just want to share this with y'all. The guy that we bought the chickens from is saying that chickens are getting hard to find. All the chicken Facebook pages and chicken forums that I get on are bombarded with new people asking questions and buying new chickens. So I suspect it's going to be that way for a while. Everybody's just rightfully so. Everybody's kind of wanting to be more self-sufficient, so and I don't blame them one bit. So if you guys are new to chickens, have any questions about chickens, hit us up on Facebook or Instagram
Or
the comments down below, and we'd be happy to help y'all. We're definitely not experts, but we've had chickens for good 8 or 10 years now, and we've learned a few things, and we'd be happy to share it with you. We also have another video we just put out, 10 tips for new chicken owners, so go watch that also. And we did a premiere on that one. So thanks for watching. Tell them, Easton.
If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and the like button, and also comment down below what your favorite part of the video was.
See y'all again.
Peace.